September marks the start of a new academic year, and the French government says children and students should return to the classrooms again. But in a post-lockdown France, where cases are surging again, lectures look and sound very different.
There is like a lot of distanciation between all the students, and there is all this signaling inside the lab, like that keep people away from each other. We can't go in the cafeteria together as we used to be before the COVID-19 outbreak. We can't sit together inside the lab. Sometimes we just like, if you want to drink a coffee, or we just like do it inside, like in front of our computers, and not all together as we used to be before.
Students and universities are adapting, both on campus and online, learning in person or learning by video call. But it's life after university that many are beginning to worry about. The pandemic means there are likely to be fewer jobs around next year.
I hope the hybrid model with online classes will work. I don't want the school to close. We only have 3 months of classes left, and then I have to look for an internship to graduate. My concern is more on finding this internship. It's going to be more difficult this year.
Students are back in their thousands, but also academic staff who support the science-based government guidelines.
We believe in science. I mean, this is what we do. We are astonished to see that in some parts of the world, in France also, but in a very minor way, the priority is not to what science says, but what political considerations or other considerations mean, and this might be really dangerous.
One problem that has arisen since the start of the year has been in corridors and lecture theatres. They can't be made larger, so students are required to wear a face mask at all times, but keeping a safe distance appears impossible in many places. Another issue for education authorities is the social side to university life. Thousands of students follow rules on campus during the day, but after hours they socialise publicly and privately, and there have been COVID-19 clusters in university towns already this month.